Akuvox's stylish product designs have earned prestigious international design awards, including the IF Design Award 2022, Red Dot Design Award 2023, and the Idea Design Award 2023. Let's delve into our impressive product lineup, starting with the Smart Intercom System. The Akuvox Smart Door Phone offers versatile access options such as facial recognition, passwords, cards, NFC, and QR codes. Users can conveniently unlock doors remotely using their smartphones. All Akuvox devices support seamless room-to-room communication and one-way broadcasting, making intra-mansion communication effortless. Besides, we have made the smart home integration possible. But that's not all. We've taken smart home integration to the next level. Beginning with our door phone, access methods like facial recognition, password, card, NFC, calls from door phones can seamlessly integrate with third-party smart home systems such as Jira, Control4, Crestron, Elan, RTI. This integration enables sophisticated scene linking, allowing control over lights and music, etc. Our 10-inch and 4-inch indoor panels are perfectly optimized for third-party smart home apps, ensuring smooth performance. These screens can launch apps at startup and automatically return to the smart home interface after 10 seconds of inactivity. Now, let's introduce our flagship high-end product, the High Panel Luxe, available in 4 stunning color palettes: Starry Silver, Luxury Gold, Emerald Green, and Obsidian Black. Equipped with 4 physical buttons, a rotary knob, and a round touchscreen, the High Panel Luxe supports proximity sensing. It seamlessly integrates with third-party smart home systems like Jira, Control4, Crestron, Elan, RTI, to control lighting, curtains, air conditioning, background music, and more. The 4AG fingerprint-proof glass buttons serve as shortcuts for controlling air conditioning, music, lighting, and curtains. For air conditioning, you can adjust temperature and modes, while for music, you can play and skip tracks. Lighting control allows you to adjust brightness, color, and temperature, and open and close curtains. The metal knob features a light ring supporting 16 million colors and can be rotated ratchet style or with infinite damping. Interested in our smart intercom and smart home integration solution? Contact us to get a quote.